The region of Provence in southern France is famed for its beautiful landscapes, ancient villages, and its fields full of aromatic herbs. Over the years, they've developed a special blend, known simply as the Herbe de Provence. Amongst others, the blend contains rosemary, basil and thyme, which will all be dried to preserve their flavours. Before they can get into a kitchen cupboard, they need to be farmed. And here, the sunny climate and the rich soil provide the perfect combination. But in the hot summer months, they need a bit of cooling down, so the growers water them with a sprinkler system. In mid-September, the fields of rosemary are at their peak, and the herb is ready to join thyme, fennel, marjoram, savoury, basil and sage to make the Herbe de Provence. Once it's been harvested, the rosemary is left to dry on a wooden rack for 10 days, where warm air streams up through the slats and preserves the aromas. Then it's fed into a machine which strips away the woody stalks. It's bagged up into large sacks and then taken to a warehouse to be processed. 60 tons of herbs are delivered here each year. Each sack that arrives is carefully weighed and recorded so that the origin of each delivery can be traced. The rosemary is shaken through this sifting machine. As well as removing dirt particles, it sorts the herb as the machine mesh gets narrower from coarse to extra fine. The different grades can subtly affect the flavour, and all of the other herbs get the same treatment. Then it's off to the Herbe de Provence mixer. A forklift truck lifts the crate up. And with the turn of a handle, the crate load of rosemary is dumped in. It's actually a carefully measured amount and will combine with the other herbs to create a precise blend. Thoroughly mixed, it falls through a chute into a sack. Each one holds 25 kilograms. Finally, the sacks are stitched up. They'll be sent all around the world, but wherever they end up, they'll bring a little taste of the south of France.